very best until the very last. This was my very best. Beautiful, beautiful catch tabby. Phenomenal little female with the most wonderful, wonderful short little body, tiny, tiny little tail, wonderful, wonderful coat. Absolutely wonderful, wonderful cat. She really was, as soon as we handled her, she said, I'm special. Okay, special cats get all the special prizes. Today she was my best long hair champion, my best Opry champion, and with absolute pleasure, my very best Opry cat. That's Gabby. Okay, thank you very much. Now there's still going to be lots to do, but she was a very special cat. Best cat Opry.